Dear students, this is the fourth worksheet about finding the value of an expression. So we have 4 plus y plus 7. We don't know it's equal to what, but we know that y is equal to 8. So if y is equal to 8, we can find then 4 plus, in the place of y we will put 8 plus 7 and then simply add them, which is 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 8, 19. So this is how we find it. The next is another example, 12 minus b plus 5. It's 12 minus b is in the bracket, so it means we need to first do this. B is equal to 3, so put 12 minus 3. Why 3? Because it's given that b is equal to 3. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So the answer is 14. That's how we do this one. Goodbye.